Man, I'm so bored. What should I do? I know, I'll flood the town. That's a great plan. Now time to flood the town. Ha 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 ha. That was funny. Dun dun dun! Uh-oh, it's Flame. Plankton, did you just flood the town? Because it caused my friends to drown. Yes I did. Oh, Plankton, how dare you flood our town? That's it. I'm calling Karen because she uses her helicopter to get out of the water. Hello, Karen? Do you know what your husband did? He flooded the town. Can you pick him up, please? Okay, bye. Plankton, how dare you flood the town? That's it. You're grounded till the new SpongeBob movie comes out. For your punishment, you're gonna suck up the whole water with your water sucker. Second, we are going home now. Now go to your room right now.